Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can copy text from Instagram post caption. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Instagram and for example, I'm going to copy text from this caption. As you can see that there is no option to copy the text. Even though I tap and hold on the text, there's no option to copy it. But don't worry guys, because we can still copy the text from this caption. We're going to use the Google Lens to copy the text. First of all, you need to take a screenshot of the caption like this. And you're going to go to your Google application. I'm going to go to the Google Lens and I'm going to upload my screenshot to the Google Lens, just like this. Okay, and then we're going to select the text, tap on select text, and then you can click on copy. Okay, and now the text has been copied to the clipboard and we'll be able to paste it. I'm just going to paste it on my Samsung Galaxy Notes. Okay, wait, I'm going to create new notes and I'm going to copy it right here. Okay, that's it. Alright guys, and that's all the way to copy text from Instagram post caption. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.